Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the router supports your carrier's 5G bands and that the SIM is activated. This avoids dead ends later. Once done, place the router near a window and elevate it to improve signal, because line of sight and fewer obstructions matter. Now connect power and insert the SIM while the device is off, then boot it. You'll see LEDs or a welcome screen. Make sure the 5G indicator lights or reads on screen before moving to configuration. You now log into the router's admin portal or companion app using the printed IP and default credentials. Change that password immediately to secure access. Next, set a clear SSID and a strong WPA3 or WPA2 passphrase, and create a guest SSID to isolate visitors because segmentation protects devices. If the router didn't attach automatically, enter your carrier APN, username, and password. Finally, make sure firmware updates are scheduled or installed to fix bugs and improve stability. You finish by testing performance with a speed test and adjusting placement or angle to boost signal-to-noise ratio. If available, attach external antennas to gain reception. Then enable CoS to prioritize latency-sensitive apps and choose auto channel selection, or pick a cleaner channel manually to reduce congestion. If problems persist, power cycle the router, reset the SIM, and verify your carrier has no outage. As a final step only, perform a factory reset, because that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.